So if I go into Google right now and I type in, we'll put in some words, corporate consulting. And see, as we put in the corporate consulting, we see that there's a bunch of suggestions that come up. A lot of these companies that get on Ripoff Report and they have a lot of complaints, if let's just say the company was called PQR Roofing, right? When they put in PQR Roofing, right after that comes up complaints or so scams.
That's the first deterrent right away.
Exactly.
So that's a red flag for any potential customer. It's like, okay, this is obviously ranking really high. They must have a lot of negative reviews.
Exactly.
Maybe they won't even get to the search page.
There's definitely urgency because now it's impacting your bottom line and your revenue.
Yeah, it's something to deal with right away.
Right. Okay. So this consulting company that was doing $900 million a year, literally within a month, we were writing about 500 social media posts every single month. We were actually writing another 500 Twitter posts every month. We were doing 60 articles a month at 1,000 words each, and we did this literally for 3 years. And then we would post those on different sites like Tumblr, Blogspot, and there was so many different sites that we would post it on. I'll show you actually.
So spreading it, throughout a bunch of different mediums so that.
Yeah. Like here's a list of the content and you can see how frequent it is. And so all these are all in the same day, but it just keeps going and going. And we're putting these up on WordPress, Storify, Tumblr. These are high domain authority sites. And what this does is it creates what we call a digital firewall. So that way there, when people type in the name of your company, now the content is coming up first versus like all the bad stuff.
Right.
And you've got to do it consistently. You just don't do it for a week.
Yeah, you have to.
And you're good.
Yeah.
And it takes time for it to actually happen.
Months.
And we've actually cleared the auto suggest, which actually has to do with creating a lot of content, creating a certain behavior, and then it takes a lot of work, to get there. Because what Google does is they look at the trends on your company, and then they start to auto suggest that. Hi, my name is Hugh Benjamin from My Think an Idea, and make sure you tune in to Think Tank, which is all about growing your business. When you tune in, we'll give you valuable gold nuggets on how to increase your revenue.